I'm going to try to put this seal inside. There's a groove inside that it has to fit inside, and it goes this way. So this is the inside of the hydraulic cylinder, and what I have to do, squish it like that. I know it's kind of hard to see, but basically make a big smile face out of it, just like that, and stick it in there. Come on. I did it the first time, it did it really easy, and this time is being harder. You know, when I did it the first time, I did it like this though, and then I got it started and then I flipped it around. Aha! That's a lot easier to hold. You can almost get it started just like that. There we go. Now get it. There we go. Just like that. Now, see, we're going to take and push that down in there. Just like that. Until that's in there. Push it in. There it is. And get it started in that hole. And then you just, once you get it started, there it is. And just get the last part in there. Now this is where it gets stuck. You gotta push down a little bit on the thing right there. Just like that. That'll go right in there. Just like now, just get the bottom piece in there. There it is. Just like that. That's how it goes. It's in there. Yeah. That's it. It's done.